Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity given to me to presentation my paper. As for the title of our paper is Using AES and DES cryptography for system development file submission security mobile base. LP3TK KPTK Goa Regency has certain files which are very important and confidential institutional information, even concerning state information. One of them is assignment letter for employees who are in service outside the R and a file that contains the values of educators. Location LP3TK KPTK is Goa Regency, South Sulawesi Province. The problem in this research is how to development of submission file security system in the form of questions for teacher competency tests and graduation letters. In the form of Words, Excel, and PDF file that are not easily read by interested parties, and how to implementation AES and DES cryptography in a process submission file security. Development a system for the security of submission Word, Excel, and five PDF files implementation to LP3TK KPTK Goa. Implementation AES and DES cryptography that mobile based. AES cryptography is symmetry algorithm that use the same key for the encryption and decryption process. DES cryptography is included in the symmetry and cryptography system classified as a type of block cipher. The research roadmap that has been carried out previously by the author as well as research development in here years. Now, the system architecture of the process of sending data in the form of Word, Excel, and PDF file using AES and DES cryptography and the process encryption and decryption files using a platform Android mobile device. Show in the drawing process that was developed a system that is built. General description. General description for a system process in which there are two users is user 1 and user 2. User 1 is LP3TK KPTK Goa, and user 2 is authorized to receive data file sent by user. The figures for general description, the general process of using AES cryptography and DES cryptography for submission of file. Display for registration and login process is system view, which is a form for account registration and entry to the system. The development of the system to display registration and login remains the same, but only the display has been changed. Display for file submission and receive process. View that development system, a submission file that use AES and DES cryptography. The figure show a button or tools provide. Display for checking a send file. This file list file Word, Excel, and PDF. A list of files that have been sent, which in the process have using AES and DES cryptography data security. Submission file using DES cryptography in here, and then black box testing, scenario testing is non-functional, and result testing work well, and conclusion is valid. The conclusion of this study is that the development of file transfer system using AES and DES cryptography can help operators of LP3TK KP3K Goa Regency to deliver confidential files in the form of UKG teacher, UKG teacher competency test, and employee assignment not only in the form of a Word, Excel file, but also PDF file. Send the file safely without worrying about the contents of the file sent now by other parties who have no offense. Based on a functional testing, valid results are obtained. The file transfer system has been running in accordance with the result of the testing factor and can function properly, and also to test the file transfer logic using AES and DES cryptography error-free logic. Thank you very much and best regards.